Let's go to package management. Using pkg command, we can install different packages. Okay. How to install them? Basically, this is the command pkg install whatever the name of that package is. In order to upgrade, you should run this command pkg upgrade, and in uninstall you run this command pkg uninstall that package name. And you can point to the repositories to install different apps, different Linux packages. Okay. Let's go to development environments. And as I told you that I'm interested in Python packages. So let's see how to install Python. Go to Python, and here is the command which you can use to install Python in Termux. Okay. So this is the command pkg install Python. So I'll use this command. Go to Termux and write down here pkg space was needed install space Python space. Press enter. Make sure you are connected with internet. Well, I think there is some error. There was problem in accessing the repository. Here is error. So the repository download bintray.com science release does not have release file. Okay, this is a problem here. And here is another problem. The repository bintray, this thing does not have a release. Okay, I think what the problem is, this bintray is not accessible. So let's see what we can do, because I'm at the moment I cannot access this dl.bintray.com. This path is not accessible at the moment for me. I want to copy this thing and search more on internet if I can find alternative to this directory. There has been error and there has been an issue. So let's see. Someone else faced this issue. Termux change repo to switch to different mirror. Okay, and then upgrade. Okay, so maybe this works. Let's try this command termux change repo. I'll copy this command and package upgrade. Okay, so let's move to termux. Let's paste this command termux change repo. Let's go for science. Let's select all of the three and change to the second one. Okay, let's see what happens. Now I think it worked and there is no error here. pkg upgrade. So let's run this one. So everything is up to date. Let's go to Termux. Let's search for package management. Yeah, package management. Okay, so here we have information about package management. Termux uses apt or dpkg for package management, similar to Debian and Ubuntu. Okay, Termux does not support use of packages from Debian, Ubuntu, or other Linux distros. For this reason, do not attempt to put one of these in your sources.list or manually install their debs. Second, only a single architecture is supported at the moment. You can't have both 64 and 32-bit packages installed on the same system. App usage under root is restricted to prevent messing up ownership and SE Linux label on Android data partition. Downgrading is not supported. In order to reclaim disk space, we do not keep history of package version. We strongly recommend to use package utility instead of apt. It is a wrapper that perform a number of tasks. Provide command shortcut. Use package in instead of package install or apt install. Number two, automatically runs apt update before installing a package if necessary. This is what I was looking for to update the repository list. So the package install it automatically perform this task. We don't need to update anything. Perform some client-side repository load balancing by automatically switching mirror on regular basis. This prevent the quota limit on the hosting. Okay, so this is a way to install the package. Instead of apt install, we say pkg install. It is highly recommended to upgrade the existing package before installing the new one. So before installing, you should upgrade all existing packages before installing new one, and this is the command which is package upgrade. Okay, so the point is now clear. So if you are using package, you don't need to run package update. Package update command is run automatically, number one. Number two, we don't need to use apt commands. Instead, we should use package command. And number three, before installing any package, we should run package upgrade command. This will upgrade all our existing installed packages.